Good Modicare morning, dear all. I am Andrea Alexander. Today in this video, let us know what are all the products are required for cold and cough problem by Modicare. Before that, subscribe my channel to get more information about Modicare. The common cold is medically referred to as a viral upper respiratory tract infection. Symptoms of the common cold may include cough, sore throat, low-grade fever, nasal congestion, runny nose and sneezing. And including chest cold and head cold and seasonal flu are caused by viruses. Use over-the-counter cold medications to relieve symptoms including sore throat, runny nose, congestion and cough. Flu symptoms are similar but include fever, headache and muscle soreness. So Modicare gave us 4 products to relieve the cold and cough problems. They are noni juice, garlic pearls, green tea and Pudina tulsi. You have to take 5 ml of noni juice in a tumbler of warm water before 30 minutes for breakfast and dinner. You can increase the quantity after 5 days. After the breakfast and dinner, you have to take a tablet of garlic pearls. Put 1 bag of green tea in a half liter of hot water. You have to consume the green tea after the breakfast and dinner. You have to take these 3 products 2 times per day and take tablet of Pudina Tulsi after the breakfast and dinner. This tablet taken 3 times per day. These products are complete solution for your cold and cough problem. Purchase these products from Modicare for cold and cough problem and be healthy. And for more information, see the description box and leave the comment. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share the video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in next video.